Here's a genuinely different idea. If AI is going to write most of our code, and humans are going to review it, maybe the programming language itself should change. That's the bet behind Jacquard, a new language designed for exactly that world. Let's unpack why it's clever. Here it is, straight from the source. Start with the problem. When a model generates a few hundred lines, you often can't read every line to know if it's safe. And normal languages hide the dangerous parts. Network calls, file writes, side effects, inside the body, or worse, in comments. Reviewing generated code becomes the bottleneck. Jacquard's answer is to put what the code can do right in its type signature. Look at the signatures. The type of fetch is text, arrow, in curly braces, net, text. That, net, means the function may perform a network effect. The type is the contract. If generated code tries to touch the network but didn't declare it, the runtime rejects it, even if that code was loaded dynamically, unless you explicitly grant permission with allow_net. So you can hand an AI-written program the network, or deny it entirely, at the language level. Because effects are declared and handled, Jacquard gives you swappable worlds. The exact same code can run against the real network, a fake scripted version, recorded historical data, or a probability model. You just swap the handler. That replaces most of what we call mocking, and lets you ask, what if the API failed, without rewriting anything? For reviewing untrusted generated code, that's powerful. Underneath, there's serious machinery. It uses algebraic effects with multi-shot handlers. A handler can resume a computation many times, which turns exhaustive search and Bayesian inference into ordinary library code instead of runtime magic. It has built-in probabilistic programming with sample and observe. And programs are content addressed. Their identity is the resolve structure, not the raw text. So comments and reformatting don't create a different program. Exactly what you want when code is generated and reformatted over and over. To be clear, Jacquard is a research prototype, version 0.1, Apache licensed, with over 500 tests, but not production ready. The reason to watch it isn't the version number, it's the idea. As more code gets written by machines, languages that make capabilities visible and enforced, auditable by construction, start to look less like a curiosity and more like where things are heading. That's the AI Daily. If this made you think, subscribe. Now you're one step ahead. Subscribe to BirenAI to stay there.